Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, Athar?
I'm good.
So, Athar, last time, do you remember what we did last time?
I think we did the test.
Yeah, we did the short quiz, and we were doing lesson 3. Lesson 3, and we did lesson 3 first and second page, right? This is lesson 3, and we did this page, page number 17, and we did the next page, and we also did the exercise of exercises on page number 19 and page number 20. But on page number 20, we did the top one in the class orally, like verbally we did, and I told you to do, I think this was your homework. This exercise number 4 was your homework, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember? Did you do the homework?
No, I didn't have my book.
You didn't have your book? Oh, okay. So because you were not at this home. Okay. The thing is, let's do this exercise again. So just a review of the previous session, and then we can go on. So now you like this week you can do this assignment, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do this. This is reading and writing, and we are going to translate also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Al maktabu maksurun. Al says
the
maktabu can be a desk, an office, or like maktabu is office or desk. Okay.
The desk is
Al-qalamu maksurun. Remember? Al-qalamu maksurun. So remember, maksurun means? Broken. Okay. And what about al-mudarrisu? Al-mudarrisu jadidun?
The
Mudarrisu is
the bed.
No, dars is lesson. Okay. Mudarrisu dars kaun deta hai?
The teacher.
Who teaches you lessons?
The teacher.
The teacher. So the teacher is
teaching.
Teaching. You know the opposite of jadidun, qadimun. So jadidun is new.
New.
Okay. Now al-qamisu wasikhun.
The shirt
shabash.
is clean.
No, nazifun is clean. Wasikhun is dirty.
Dirty.
Okay. Oh, I have to go back. Al-labanu baridun.
The milk is heavy.
No, baridun is cold.
cold.
Harun is hot. Baridun is cold. Al-masjidu maftuhun.
The masjid is
Maftuhun.
is open.
Good, excellent. Masjid is maftuhun. Okay. Al-hajaru kabirun. Hajaru.
The
Rock.
rock is heavy.
Heavy or heavy? No, it's not heavy. It's not saqilun here. It's kabirun. The rock is big.
Okay.
When we are done, you are going to take a screenshot of this, okay? So that you can revise at home when you are going to do the homework. It will help you. Okay, here you go. Number 7, al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun.
The milk is cold and the water is hot.
Excellent, awesome. And the milk, no, the water is hot. Okay, this one, al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Let me bring it down so that you can read. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Muhandis is engineer. The engineer is sitting. Waqifun is standing. So opposite is sitting. The engineer
is standing or sitting.
Sitting.
The engineer is sitting and the teacher is standing.
Hold on. The teacher is standing. Okay, and then next over here, al-qamaru ba'idun.
The
moon is far.
The moon is far.
Okay, and then al-mindilu nazifun. The napkin or the handkerchief is
dirty.
No, nazifun is clean.
Oh.
The napkin is clean. Okay, so take a screenshot and then we can go to the next page, inshallah. Done with a screenshot?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, so over here you are going to fill in the blanks with appropriate words. I think we did last time. Can you, okay, let's go through quickly. Al-hajaru. Can it be beautiful or dirty or hot or heavy?
الحجر جميل.
Beautiful rock.
Oh, the rock.
So
خفيف.
rock, okay, rock can be light, but okay, what about warak? Which one should be heavy and which one should be light? Warak, paper.
Paper is خفيف.
Al-waraku khafifun and al-hajaru
الحجر
saqilun.
مفتوح.
No,
ثقيل.
saqilun. Yes. And al-babu, the door could be hot or the door could be open. Like it
الباب مفتوح.
maftuhun. Okay, good. Now you already use saqilun, khafifun, maftuhun. Okay. And al-qamaru, the moon.
القمر جميل.
Jamil. Good. Al-mindilu.
The engineer.
No, al-mindilu is napkin.
Oh, the napkin is
You already used
wasihun.
wasifun, dirty. And al-labanu, al-labanu,
اللبن حار.
harun. Milk is hot. So now you are going to put appropriate mubtada or the subject of the sentence. Okay. You know the first part when a sentence starts with a noun, a ism, any name or ism. Okay. So that sentence is that sentence is called jumla ismiya. Okay. Are you getting my point? That's a nominal sentence because it is starting with a name. That's a nominal sentence. And nominal sentence is called, in Arabic, it is called jumla ismiya. Let me write it down. Nominal sentence is the sentence or sentence that starts with an ism. Okay. Ism means like any name. Okay. And that is also called, in Arabic, it is called jumla ismiya. Okay. You again will take a screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
Jumla ismiya. So over here in your assignment is the same that was before. I'm just telling you what is going on. So you are making a sentence by putting this first part of this sentence, which is the subject of the sentence, right? Even in English, the first thing in the sentence is subject, and then you have what? Predicate, right? And in Arabic, we are at present we are looking at all sentences that are starting with, all sentences are beginning with
Ism.
ism. So that's why we are learning jumla ismiyas. First part is subject, mubtada, and you are going to put the first part, the name, like what could be nazifun, clean. What could be clean? A shirt could be clean, a napkin could be clean, right? So that's a ism, noun, right? So you are going to put what over here? Al-min.
Right.
Whether you write al-mindilu or al-qamisu. Okay. And maksurun, what could be maksurun?
A chair.
Yes, excellent. Chair. So our chair is, even in
Broken.
Urdu, you know the same word in Urdu, chair.
Kursiyan.
Yeah, al-kursiyu, maksurun. Baridun, cold, could be either water or milk, right?
Yeah.
So you are going to write
Al-labanu.
al-labanu baridun. Okay. So qaribun means
Close.
close. So close could be
Masjidan.
yes, al-masjidu qaribun. Ba'idun could be a house, the house. Mhm. Al-baitu,
Al-baytu ba'idun.
ba'idun. Waqifun, standing. So can al-baitu be standing?
Yeah.
House is standing. Waqifun.
Technically.
Okay, technically yes, but a waqifun must be a person, right? Who is standing. So waqifun could be a boy, the boy.
Waladun. Waladu.
Al-waladu, right? Excellent.
Al-waladu.
Yes. It could be a man, the man, ar-rajulu, waqifun. Again, jalisun, you can choose any, al-waladu or al-mudarrisu or ar-rajulu, right? And then kabirun means big.
Okay. Like Qamisun could be big.
Yes, kamisun could be big. Qadimun, old.
A Lebanon or like water.
Water or Laban. What about al-baitu? Qadimun.
The house is called
Yeah, old.
old.
Old. Yeah,
I
old.
thought you said
Qadimun
cold.
means old. Yeah, I was wondering why the milk is old. So then I thought, oh, milk can be old, like it after 2-3 days. So
it can be al-masjidu.
yeah, masjidu qadimun, and then jadidun.
What does it mean?
Jadidun means new.
New. Then al-qamisun jadidun.
Yes, excellent. Okay, take a screenshot of this, just a small short note, and keep in mind that if a sentence is starting with a name or ism, then it's a jumla ismiya, and it has two parts. Just keep in mind it has two parts. At the moment, just keep in mind it has two parts. Okay. Lelia, screenshot?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the next page. So these are the new words we learned. Let me write the meaning over here so that you remember. Al-Qamaru, you just tell me.
The moon.
The moon. Then Nazifun.
Clean.
Excellent. Clean. Then Kabirun.
Big.
Khafifun. Light.
Light.
Jadidun.
New.
Harun.
Hot.
Yes. Maftuhun.
Key.
Open.
Open.
Jamilun.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Then Qadimun. Old. Now old and cold are together. Qadimun old and Baridun cold. Okay?
Okay.
Then Maksurun.
Broken.
Waqifun.
Standing.
Then Wasikhun.
Dirty.
Saqilun. Heavy. Jalisun. Sitting. Okay. Now take another screenshot. And Najmun is? Najmun is? Hello? Are you here? Are you here? Okay, Athar, you are going to write the answer. Najmun is what? Najmun is? Okay, Najmun is a star. You know, but you don't remember. The thing is, in second, I think second lesson, you learned it. Alhamdulillah. So Najmun a star. An-Najmu? An-Najmu? The star. Dikun. Dikun? A rooster, right? Ad-Dikun? Ad-Diku? The rooster. Rajulu, a man, ar-Rajulu, the man. Talibun, a student, at-Talibu, the student, right? Good. Okay, so I'm going to erase all these and then we can go to the next page, inshallah. Again, these are exercises and you are going to write these exercises. These are for you. Okay? Oh no, we have this part too. On page 21, we have this part too. An-najmu ba'idun, the star is far away. Ar-rajulu waqifun, the man is standing, right? Then as-sakru huluwan, the sugar is sweet. At-talibu maridun, the student is sick. Then ad-diku jamilun, the rooster is beautiful. Ad-daftaru jadidun, the office or the desk is new. At-tajiru ghaniyun, the businessman or the trader is rich. Ad-dukanu maftuhun. Ad-dukanu maftuhun, the store is open. Al-waladu faqirun, the boy is poor. At-tufahu lazizun, the apple is tasty, delicious. At-tabibu tawilun wal mudarrisu qasirun. At-tabibu tawilun wal mudarrisu qasirun. So the doctor is tall and the teacher is short. So the doctor is tall and the teacher is short. So I can't hear you at the moment, but I believe that you can hear me, right? Can you hear me? Okay, good. So you already learned these sentences. So over here, Ghaniyun is with Tajir, and Maftuhun is with Dukan, and Maridun is with student. So you are going to put all these words here, like who is Ghaniyun? Look up on the previous page. You just need to look it up on the previous page and then write it over here, right? Who is Ghaniyun? Who is Maridun? Who is Tawilun? So you need to fill all these 6 sentences. Fill in the blanks in all these 6 sentences. So that's it for today. So Alhamdulillah, we did page number 20, 21, and 22. Actually 20 we did the review today, and then we did 21 and 22. So this is your assignment for today, and you have another assignment from previous class that is here on page 20, and on page 22 you have 2 assignments. Okay.